Hi everyone! So I saw this post inside High Level Official Community about um, I have a 35-minute video training and I want the calendar to show up underneath after 30 minutes has been watched. So this is what I'm going to do. I will add, for example ito yung video, 'di ba? Lagyan natin ng video here. Yan. Tapos, sa ilalim niya, the 35-minute video. So, dapat, after 30 minutes has been watched, there is, there is a calendar that will show up. So, I will add a timer block here. Itong minute timer. Tapos, gagawin ko siyang 30 minutes. Tapos, lalagyan ko dito sa baba ng calendar. Like I'll put a calendar here and I'll choose for example this one, diba? Yan. So this calendar should show after 30 minutes. Ang gagawin nyo, itong timer, gagawin nyo instead of redirect to URL, show and hide elements. Tapos show element na calendar. So try to find the calendar. Ito. Yan. Bale, itong calendar to is hidden siya. Ay, hidden siya not until this time has been done. Ngayon, dahil syempre ayaw nyo namang makita tong timer na to, ibaba natin to sa baba ha. Hold on. Sa ilalim natin siya ng calendar ilagay para hindi masyadong kita yung space. Itong calendar na to, i-hide na natin. Okay? Tapos, ito, well, I'll put it in a color na walang kulay. Para hindi siya makikita. Okay? Let's test it. So, instead of 30 minutes, I will put na maging just, yung timer niya is, say, 1 minute lang. Or 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Para mag-load yung calendar. So, save this. Tapos, i-preview natin. Ayun. Guys, may sinagot na ako dito. I am just not sure if she got it. This is Jan. But, yeah. I will... may sumagot din na palang minute timer. Okay. So, eto na yon. Yan, 'di ba? It shows the video tapos magka-count ka ng 2 minutes. 6:48 ngayon, so it should be 40 around 50. Kaya pause ko lang yung time or pwede namang mag-intay pero i-fast forward nyo na lang. Ayun, medyo matagal so let's I'll just play a song na lang. Di pala baka mag-mess up yung video natin. Let me see. So, medyo matagal nga. Pause ko na lang yung video. You gotta try this on your end for you to able to see how it would look like. Pero, i-on ko yung video. Ayan na, 49 na. So, 1 minute na lang, guys. Sige, wait na lang natin. So, this is best sa mga things na katulad na ganun yung scenario. Gusto nilang makita yung viewer after certain time. So, kahit na anong elemento na mag-show up. Pwedeng calendar, pwedeng button, pwedeng video din, pwedeng, all of the stuff that you would want or element that you would want in high level. Okay, 1 minute to go. Hoping na okay ang inyong Tuesday, guys. Happy Tuesday, by the way. Okay, that shows up. So, ayan, 2 minutes, it shows up. Wala siyang availability, I think, kasi hindi man to naka-on right now. But, yan, sana nakita nyo how it looks like. Thank you so much and have a great Tuesday. Bye!